The world is changing faster than ever. Every student dreams of building the next big idea. But how many truly get the chance? That's where Innovarsity steps in. We are not just an upskilling platform. We are a movement, a bridge between classrooms and the real world. At Innovarsity, students don't just study theory. They build robots, fly drones, design AI models, craft circuits, and even assemble electric vehicles. They learn by doing, creating, and experimenting, gaining confidence to solve real-world challenges. We've transformed education by creating immersive experiences, from hands-on workshops and industry-ready internships to hackathons, ideathons, and product-based learning. Through our advanced lab setup services, colleges gain access to state-of-the-art IoT devices, AI and robotics platforms, EV components, and cybersecurity tools, enabling students to work with industry-relevant technologies and current trends. Our founders bring decades of industry experience, deep innovation expertise, and global exposure. Qualified from world-class institutes like IIT, NYIT, and certified by the MIT Bootcamp, they carry both academic rigor and industrial insight. Backed by their strong industry connectivity and entrepreneurial vision, Innovarsity is uniquely positioned to bridge the gap between education and the future of work. What sets us apart? We don't just train, we ignite. Through our unique initiatives, we empower students to bring ideas to life. The patentathon turns bold ideas into intellectual property. The productathon transforms imagination into real, working prototypes. And the Smart Up Factory nurtures students into confident startup founders. Our flagship Innovation and Entrepreneurship Bootcamp, IEBC, compresses the startup journey, where raw ideas become validated business models in just 2 days, guided by expert mentors. And the results speak for themselves. Partnered with 25+ colleges and 5+ universities, impacted 10,000+ students, guided dozens of patents, product POCs, and startups, organized 40+ seminars, ideathons, hackathons, patentathons, productathons, and bootcamps. Our mission is bold: to empower 1,008 student-led startups in the next 5 years. And with the momentum we've already created, the future is closer than ever. With Innovarsity, your students don't just prepare for tomorrow, they create it today. Innovarsity, learn to innovate, lead to succeed. Together, let's build the future.